Hello mga netizens! So welcome to Miss Webpreneur Vlogs. Today, i-review natin ang Doc Adam blender. It doesn't only mean that I like this blender, but it's showing my support to Doc Adam's advocacy of fighting against incorrect medical information. So earlier, I showed you all the parts of the Doc Adam blender. So right now, I'm going to show you how it works. So meron siyang ito, yung napang-blend, and then pag hindi mo na ginagamit, pwede mong takpan, which makes it clean or safer for the next use. So, ganyan lang siya. Hindi ako mahilig sa mga blender na super laki kasi nga gusto ko portable yung blender kasi mahilig din ako sa smoothie. So, ito naman, pwedeng after mong magawa yung smoothie, takpan mo na lang siya, and then it will serve as your tumbler or glass. And then, rechargeable siya. Meron siyang USB connector. So, to give you a quick background about Doc Adam, I am one of his thousands of fans here in the Philippines because he is fighting against medical misinformation, which is, I believe that matagal nang present dito sa Philippines, like celebrities and even mga businesses, they are promoting supplements or medicines na hindi naman talaga prescribed ng doctor. So, ano yung risk nun? Like, if may sakit ka, pwedeng lumala or pwedeng hindi ka na mag-undergo ng proper medical procedure kasi it's giving you false hope na gagaling ka with just uminom ng mga herbal, mga pumunta sa mga albularyo instead of going to the doctor for proper examination and medication.
For fruits, dapat maliliit lang yung pagkakat. Meron namang measurement sa manual kung ilan yung dapat ilagay. Pati yung sa water. And then, if you want to add ice, make sure na maliliit din. Para hindi naman ma-overload yung blender. Ayan, so nakalimutan nating basahin yung manual. So, hindi pala to gagana nang hindi siya naka-fully charge. Kaya, i-charge muna natin. Not sure kung gaano katagal sa iba, pero umabot sa akin ng 1 hour to charge. And sobrang bilis niya lang mag-blend. Like, automatically, it will blend for 45 seconds. And then, presto! Your smoothie is ready. Enjoy! I am really happy with my Doc Adam blender kasi super portable siya. Pwede kong dalhin sa workout, going outside, or sa office.
Thank you so much for watching my vlog, and I hope you guys learned a lot. I am really glad that I was able to help Doc Adam in my own little way. See you guys on the next episode of Miss Webpreneur Vlogs. Bye-bye!